you.
What's up, guys? My name is Vlad and welcome back to the Soul of Atlantis. To give you a brief background on my dive computer, a few months ago, my dive computer started diving on its own on the surface, meaning the depth gauge started counting even though I was on dry land. So I took the dive computer to a dive shop here in Manila to have it checked, and hopefully they can fix the computer. So I went to the shop and told them that I'm having issues with the sensor. So I left my dive computer there to have it checked, and now it's back with me, and I will go to the details. Now, when you're taking your equipment service to this dive shop, I just want you guys to take a note that in the transmittal they have here, there is I don't know if you can see this one, but there's an unrefundable prepayment that they charge when you leave the item there. So, meaning whether they're able to fix the item or not, you don't get your money back. So, whether this is fair or not, I'll let you guys comment on that one and let me know. Alright? So here are the findings. So note defective pressure sensor. Well, actually that's what I said to them when I left the dive computer. There's a defect in the pressure sensor and I want them to check if they can fix it. So like the previous dive computers that I sent there, they all have the same defects. I started diving back in 2001 and my first dive computer is a Suunto Vyper. I really like this computer. The interface, the information here, the algorithm is really good. And this lasted me for over 1,000 dives. And the only reason that I upgraded or changed my dive computer is also due to depth sensor defect. So after a while, I noticed that the depth started to register only when I reach 20 feet and deeper. Anything shallower and the computer shuts off and doesn't register any pressure. So after finding out that the pressure sensor of this one was already defective, I took this to the same dive shop and they confirmed to me that the pressure sensor is defective and they are unable to replace it. So I needed a new dive computer. Since I like Suunto and the interface they have, I decided to get the higher end dive computer, which is the Suunto D9. So this is the current computer I have, and hoping this is a better make, better materials, and hoping that the sensor will last longer. I got this one. This is actually this 6 times the price of my Vyper. And checking the log dives I have here, I have 796 dives. So it's actually less. My Vyper lasted for about over 1,000 dives before it started, before its sensor started malfunctioning. Now, with the D9, it lasted me 796 dives, and the sensor already started malfunctioning. So both same scenario. I took to the dive shop and asked if they can repair it or replace the sensor, but unfortunately they said it's non-repairable. They don't have parts for this one. So I don't know, let me know guys if you have encountered any similar situation, and if you were able to find a dive shop that repaired the sensor, let me know. If you know anyone from Suunto, maybe they can give us some information if this is really non-repairable, because this is already 2 out of 2 of my personal computer. This is over 1,000 dives. This is 796 dives, and after that they died. Now, this also reminded me of the dive computer that I bought for my wife, which is Suunto Mosquito. I bought it the same time I bought my D9, and also bought another one for my friend, also a Mosquito. And these dive computers died after 4 years, and same issue. They started diving on their own, similar to my D9. So there you go, guys. That's my long-term review with an experience with Suunto Dive Computers. After over 10 years of diving with Suunto and multiple Suunto Dive Computers, all the defect that I encountered with them boils down to the sensor of the device. Okay, so let me know guys if you also experience some similar issues with your dive computers, with particularly to Suunto. And now I'm actually in the search for a new dive computer, so I'll be doing some reviews. I'll be borrowing some different models of dive computers from my friends, try them out, check the specs, the features, and I'll let you know what I think of them on my next series of video. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to click and subscribe, and remember, protect our reefs, save our oceans, and dive safe. See ya.